Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Hello everyone, it's me Jevi from UniqueTutorials. As we all know that most of the ebooks that we read every day in our computer, laptops, in Android smartphones or in iPhone smartphones are mostly of PDF formats. But sometimes what happens, some PDF files sizes are too big that consumes lots of our computers or mobiles memory spaces. So today I will show you how you can compress any PDF file without losing its quality. So let's begin. So first, open any web browser in your computer and go to this website pdfreducer.orpalis.com. You can download the free version and try it first, and if you like it, then you can go for the pro version, which you need to purchase by clicking on the buy now. As I have already downloaded and already installed in my computer, so I'm not going to download again. Now after downloading, you install it, and once installation is completed, start Orpalis PDF Reducer. So here you can see its user interface. So now what you need to do is you need to select first the destination folder where you want to save the file, and second thing, you need to find which PDF file you want to reduce. So click on this and select the PDF file. So my PDF file is almost 237 MB size. So let's see how much it can reduce. So once you select your PDF file which you want to reduce, click this start page. Click OK. Wait for a few minutes. Now it's completed. Click OK. Now let's check the file size which we have compressed. Now it's compressed to half the size than the earlier one. The earlier one was 237 MB, but now it become 147 MB, almost half the size. So you can again reduce it by adding it on the file depend upon you, and start the process again. So in this way you can save lots of space by reducing the PDF files without losing its quality. I hope you find it useful, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel, and thanks for watching.